Okay, so we have a word problem here. Let's read it. Sue and her cousin made friendship bracelets for a school fundraiser. Sue made 145 bracelets and her cousin made 89 bracelets. How many bracelets did the two girls make all together? Let's look at the question one more time. How many bracelets did the two girls make all together? What did you hear in that question that helps you decide that you would have to plus or minus? That's right, two girls all together. That means we're going to take the numbers from the two girls and we're going to put them together. That would be addition. So how would we put 145 plus 89? We can do that by building. Let's build 145. 100, 40, 5. Okay, what we did was that we took the number 145 and decomposed it. 145 decomposed would be made up of 1 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Now we are to add 89 to this number. Look at the number 89 and let's decompose 89. In 89, we have 8 tens. So I'm going to put 8 tens right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count that to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9 ones. Let's put 9 ones down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. There you go. Okay, so let's put them together. Let's count how much we have. Let's look at the ones place. This looks like it's way over 10. Remember 10? You cannot have more than 10 in one place. So if we can find 10 in here, we're going to have to regroup and bring them over next door in the tens place. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, we found 10. This is way more than 10. So let's regroup and see what happens. Did you see that? 10 of the units was put together, moved over to the tens place. We now have 4 ones. And let's see how many tens are in here. If we can find 10 tens over here, guess what we're going to have to do? Regroup. That's right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found 10 tens. That means we can take these 10 tens and we regroup them. Let's do that. Did you see that? Those 10 tens were put together and then regrouped and brought over next door to the hundreds place. Let's check out the tens place. How many tens do we have now? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, which is equals to 30. And remember those 10 tens that were regrouped? It is now over here. We now have 2 hundreds. Let's put them all together, count them all together, and see what our sum is. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234. Let's see. 234. And that is it.